I just wanted to stop in real quick and just do another Q&A. So question I received was, how often do I have to do yoga? And is it okay to just do it once a week? Should I do it like every day? And I'm assuming that the real question that you're asking is, will I see benefits from yoga after once a week? So if you just do it once a week, you'll get some benefits, but it wouldn't be as great as if you did it like maybe every day. And I'm not saying you have to do like an hour-long yoga class every single day, especially if you're a beginner. I mean, we're approaching this from a beginner perspective. If you're just starting out, the thought of doing yoga or any exercise, if you're sedentary, excuse me, can be quite daunting. So my recommendation would be to start slow. If you wanted to do something every day because you felt that that's the best way for you to build up a habit, then pick maybe a 10 or 15 minute sequence to start. I can provide some of those for you if you like. I'm actually going to do some videos on that stuff anyway. And so you could start there. So start just getting yourself used to just doing something every single day. If you're more like, I don't really need that, if I jump into something, I'm good to go, I don't really need to kind of practice doing something every day, then I would recommend doing a 20-minute sequence at least 4 to 5 days a week to start, because that way you'll start to get the benefits right away. So my best answer is just like anything else. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. So I hope that answers your question. If you have any others, please shoot them out to me. All right, thanks.